along the track. 7 participants in the first National Indoor Athletics Championship 2026 in 200 meters track. A start of 1500 meters run for men as they have to go for 15 laps in the indoor stadium as the track is of 200 meters. And bib number 101 is Jagdish of Air Force, took the lead in the event 1500 meters run for men final. He is from Air Force. Jagdish 101 is from Air Force. And 177 Kalyan JR Karnataka. Next we have 299 Sunil Yadav of Rajasthan.
So while you had Mohammad Afzal not reporting at the starting grid there, this boy also from the Air Force, Jagdish, decides to take over the mantle. The national indoor record, 3 minutes 41.18, Chatoli Hamza in February 2008 at the Asians in Doha. He's got a pace which may not to be liking, but he's built up a sufficient lead at this point of time. We are about halfway through the event. Should be looking around close to under 4 minutes out here in the 1500 meters. But the lead now widening, the gap now widening between the leader Jagdish of the Indian Air Force. He's flying like a Rafale. He's flying like a Sukhoi. He doesn't believe in the Doniers. He doesn't believe in the ILs who do yeoman service. Don't see anyone pushing him. Don't see anyone pushing this boy. He's the only boy on a picture frame. They now come into view. And the lead Sangeeta that he's built up, I suspect it might stand him in good stead. But you never know. We've seen leaders in trouble towards the end with cramps, with issues. But the Air Force boy is truly a fit boy. The 1500 meters outdoor, always dominated by the Africans. Hikam Al Garouj of Morocco, 326.00. The world indoor, 322.77. Now look at this. Didn't I tell you? He's gone. He's come from nowhere. And that's Vinod Singh of Madhya Pradesh. Didn't I say that anything can happen in an event? We've got 200 meters to go. Will the Air Force boy Jagdish even surrender his silver? But Vinod Singh will take the gold. Jagdish will take the silver after leading the race for virtually 90%. But that's the beauty of track and field.
99 Sunil Yadav of Rajasthan. So 1500 meters run for men is over right now. Replay of 1500 meters run for men final for the first National Indoor Athletics Championship 2026, and it was a good race by all the runners. 299, he took the lead. in front of Jagdish. Now here it is the result for men 1500 meters run. Binod Singh